surprise bae or the sneaky link with this joint, and I promise you're gonna get whatever you want, okay? I'm still waiting on my she shed. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. I got a big old smile on my face today because one, I'm looking good, okay? But two, most importantly, it's your girl birthday. Do it like it's my birthday, okay? Yes, your girl is officially 37. Like, what? Yes, I am 37. A lot of my new wig baes didn't know I was, I guess, that old. So yes, 37 and flourishing. I mean, I know I'm doing a lot with my hands right now, but I got my nails done, so you know. So if you want to show your girl some love today, go ahead and watch this video all the way through, okay? I want watch time for my birthday, okay? Thank you. Oh, also likes. Give me a thumbs up too, okay? Now today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys, and y'all, let me tell you, she is laid and slayed on my head gluelessly, okay? No added adhesive is needed for this unit. You can definitely blend her down and rock her as a beginner, okay? We like that, okay? Can't even clap right because of my nails. Let me stop faking. Now before we get into the install of the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future, okay? Let's go.
So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reaping, we coursing on foot. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, we see blessings fall by my right hand. But I talk to the friends that take off with the load one time. Sit down in a class and we pour that money set the road and it's one cash. I be the rubber band, you be the match, I will be a fuse. Boom, painter baby, you could be the muse. I'm the reporter baby, you could be the news. Cause you're the cigarette and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. Chipped up, you are the chump. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. And I can be the bomb. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. So put your pretty little hand in mine. Even when we're down to the wire, baby. Even when it's do or die, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. So nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're the star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie,
okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is from the Perfect Hairline series. This is the unit Linette. I got her in the color DR2 Creamy Toffee, and she does retail around $42 to $46 depending on the site that you get her from. This unit does have specialty colors just like the one I have on right now, so that will be a $2 to $4 upcharge depending on the site that you get her from. This unit comes with a 13x4 HD lace parting space, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also has the attached elastic band, so you want to wear this unit glueless like me, you can definitely do that. Now I have tried a lot of Perfect Hairline units on my channel, and most times with the elastic band and most of the times with my big old dome, I could wear it for a little bit, but after a while it'll start to, you know, press on my temples a little bit and try and give me a concussion, and I can't do it, all right? But this one, I don't don't know if they changed it up or made it a little bit bigger, but it's fitting comfortably, okay? I'm not getting no pressure around the temples. The temples are not pulsating today, okay? Nail check, the cap is also ventilated, so if you don't want to wear a wig cap, which I do suggest that you do even with a ventilated cap, because it still kind of pulls on my hair when I wear it without it, so just wear the wig cap anyway. But it does make the wig a little bit more breathable, so if you want to wear it out in the hot sun, because you know it's still hot outside, you can definitely do that. Now, just like all the other ones from this collection, the unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees, so if you want to put some heat on this unit, you can. I did use my blow dryer on top here, as well as around the actual hairline as you saw in my install, just to make the unit flatter, as well as control the flyaways, because I'm gonna tell you now, there are a lot, okay, a lot of flyaways with this color, okay? With the natural color, I don't know, you may not have none, but with this color right here, you need to get your products, your freeze spray, your hairspray, your wax stick, whatever you got in your possession to get this under control, use it, okay? Because yeah, I wasn't sure how this color was gonna look on me, but I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and dip my toes into the water and go ahead and try it. And y'all, she looks good, y'all. This may be my new favorite color from Outre, okay? Y'all know I love my burgundy wigs. I love my burgundy family wigs, but this color right here, this blonde right here is perfect, okay? Perfect on me. Brown skin girls, okay? My light skin girls, okay? My dark skin girls. This is the blonde for you. Melanin girl friendly, she is. Even for my lighter wig babes, because I know y'all watch me too, all right? This one is good as well. The texture is not too silky, but it's not too thick either. Like, it's giving me like an in-between, a nice in-between, which, you know, I kind of like. I am here for how this is looking on me, y'all. Like, listen, I have a human hair wig on my channel that kind of resembles this one, and that one costs a little bit of coin. So if you like that wig, but it just wasn't in your price point, this one may be the one for you, okay? I'm just telling you now, grab her. You're gonna need her in your collection because, listen, surprise Bae or the sneaky link with this joint, and I promise you're gonna get whatever you want, okay? I'm still waiting on my she shed. Kenny not here right now, but he come home in a couple months, and listen, I want my she shed. You hear me, Ken? All right, but this is how she's looking. Like I said, glueless all the way around. Now you will see a little teeny line demarcation because I did not spray this unit down. The lace on the Perfect Hairline series does melt down pretty nice if you do spray her down, but because I'm rocking her gluelessly, you're gonna see a little line, okay? But it kind of blends down once I kind of step back, okay? You don't gotta be up in my face, and if you are, then, you know, give me some money, because, you know, why you here? But other than that, y'all, like, it should look pretty good. The parting space, I would say, on this 13x4 is flawless. You hear me? Like, I love how it looks very natural. It's not giving me, like, you know, a perfect parting, which for the Perfect Hairline I really like, and that's due to them not putting a lot of hair on the frontal. Sometimes when you put too much hair on the frontal, when you part it, you can barely see the part. This is giving me just enough hair to give me a natural look. You see how the hair even falls to the side here and it still gives you parting? Like, y'all, in that $40–50 price point, that's Outre got that. You hear me, Outre? You got that, all right? I'm also here for the hairline. This series right here was kind of at a standstill for a minute when it came to the melted hairline. Melted hairline was taking them out with the hairline, okay? But then melted hairline kind of took a step back, and it seems that Perfect Hairline has came to play. You hear me? Because I have never had a hairline like this from the Perfect Hairline. Most of my hairlines, I still gotta go in and pluck it up. I didn't pluck not one hair out of this unit whatsoever, and it's actually sitting pretty good for me. So, I mean, listen, get the wig. Pretty sure Mika is the one that I saw that had this unit in a natural color. When I say she had the hair flip and the chest out, she was feeling herself, and rightfully so, okay? Mika, you slayed that natural color. Thank you. I'm so happy that I got this. This is giving everything that I need on my birthday. You hear me? All right. Last year was a debacle. Okay, it was a mess. It was a mess, and I was hot. Okay, if y'all seen that video, then yeah, okay, I'll link it down below just because, you know, I want to laugh. But I have totally redeemed myself and got this joint all the way together, and it was a lot easier. You hear me? Less work, okay? That's why I rock with the synthetic wigs. This joint is sitting like a human hair dupe. I love it, okay?
Get lace in there. Get lace.
I'm sorry. It was like a butterfly or something flying around the window, and it like hit the shadow and just kind of, it scared me a little bit. I'm getting older, my nerves are weak. I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit, no tangling though. I will also say that the back of the unit does feel a little bit thinner than the sides of the unit, but I wasn't seeing any gaps or nothing, so you know that's good. But other than that, what we thinking? Okay, what are we thinking for this one right here? I love it for the color, okay? The style is pretty basic. You can do some different styles with this unit, but I wanted to keep her nice and simple. I didn't want to do no fancy smancy today. Nice and easy still gets me the coin, okay? Thanks, Kenny. But that's all I got for you guys. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some links down below so you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.